In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this circular pattern by using a mesh circle. As we can see, this mesh has certain edges rotating in one direction and the rest of them rotating in reverse. If you don't have a mesh circle in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. In edit mode, type F to fill and I as in India to extrude inward like this. Type S to scale and Ctrl R to add 10 loop cuts. In edge selection mode, let's Shift-Alt-click edge loops like this. I'll expand the selection, and once again select by the edge loop. Type G and Z as in zebra to move the selection upward a bit. I'll add a subsurf modifier and a wireframe modifier. With the edge loop selected, proportionally rotate them to create an illusion of certain edges rotating in reverse. We can create other great-looking circular patterns easily just by rotating the selected edge loops. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.